Do you know how many fraud attempts happen every single second in the online world? It's a staggering number, and for anyone accepting or making payments online, it raises one crucial question: how secure is my money and my data? The digital economy moves fast, and so does the threat landscape. Security is no longer an optional add-on, it's the core foundation of trust. And that's exactly why Paysafe places fraud protection and security at the heart of every transaction. They don't just offer payment solutions, they offer peace of mind. Let's break down the key security features that keep you protected, starting with their layered fraud prevention strategy. Paysafe doesn't rely on a single defense. They use multiple, intelligent layers. First, you have real-time transaction monitoring. Every payment is instantly scored and analyzed using advanced machine learning. This technology spots patterns of fraud that a human eye would miss, catching suspicious activity as it happens, not days later. This is key for fast, high-volume industries like gaming and e-commerce. Next is 3D Secure 2.0. You may know the older version as a static password check. The new version is a massive leap forward. It performs what's called frictionless authentication. It uses over 100 data points, like your device, location, and purchase history, to assess risk. If the transaction is low risk, it goes through seamlessly. If it's high risk, it prompts a simple check, like a fingerprint or a one-time code. This protects you from unauthorized use while minimizing checkout friction. Paysafe is also PCI DSS Level 1 compliant. Now, what does that mean? The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS, is the gold standard for handling credit card information. Level 1 is the highest compliance level, meaning Paysafe meets the most rigorous requirements for storing, processing, and transmitting cardholder data, which takes a huge compliance burden off of merchants. And finally, their tokenization feature. When you use a card, Paysafe replaces your sensitive card number with a unique, non-sensitive identifier called a token. This token can be used for future payments, but it's useless to fraudsters if intercepted. Your actual card details are safely stored on secure Paysafe servers, meaning they are never exposed during the transaction itself. So, whether you're a consumer paying with confidence or a business safeguarding your revenue, these robust layers, from real-time AI monitoring and seamless 3D secure authentication to top-tier PCI compliance and data tokenization, ensure that your digital transactions are as secure as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.